In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradeZero in TradingView. We're going to walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to place trades directly from your TradingView charts using your TradeZero account. Make sure you're already registered and logged in to both platforms before you start, so the connection process goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. You can use any modern browser, but for the best experience, make sure it's up to date. Once the page loads, log into your TradingView account if you're not signed in already. This ensures that any changes you make, including broker connections, will be saved to your profile. After you're logged in, look for the option called Supercharts on TradingView's main interface. This is TradingView's advanced charting area where most of the trading tools and broker connections live. Click on Supercharts and it will open up a full-featured chart window. Inside the Supercharts layout, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. This is where TradingView integrates with different brokers so you can trade directly from the platform. Click on the Trading Panel tab to expand it. If it's minimized or hidden, clicking on it will slide it up and reveal all available broker options. Once the trading panel is visible, look for a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Sometimes TradingView highlights a few popular brokers by default, but you'll want to see the complete list. Click on Show All Brokers so you can access every supported provider, including TradeZero. Now that you can see the full broker list, use the search bar in the trading panel to find TradeZero quickly. Type TradeZero into the search field. As you type, the list will filter down, and TradeZero should appear as one of the options. When you see TradeZero in the list, click on it. TradingView will then prompt you to connect. At this point, you'll typically be asked to log into your TradeZero account in a separate window or pop-up. Enter your credentials carefully and confirm the connection. Once the authorization process finishes, your TradeZero account will be linked to TradingView. After it connects successfully, you'll see TradeZero appear as your active broker in the trading panel. From here, you can place orders, manage positions, and monitor your trading activity directly on your TradingView charts, all through your TradeZero account.